We had 8 inches worth of heavy wet snow mixed in with sleet and rain, and it's impressive that it just eats it up and it throws it and it doesn't get clogged.
Got a couple inches of wet, heavy snow, and I didn't expect the snowblower to clear as good as it did, and the snowblower definitely maintained its power. I was impressed.
You gotta worry about it bogging down, you ain't gotta worry about running out of gas. You do gotta worry about the batteries, but way easier to slap the battery in and gas it up.
And sometimes when it's too cold, the gas blower doesn't want to start, so it's very convenient to just push a button, pull the strings, and keep moving.
It's quieter. There's a lot of people that want to get out and start their properties early, around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And you've got people that aren't waking up until 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and you've got to worry about those complaints all the time. You're not going to have that with that snowblower.